Hello, I hope you're doing fine. This is James Mann back with another truth video. Boats, lighthouses, perspective, angular size and resolution. Just how easy is it to disprove things like boats disappearing over curvature? When you understand how perspective and angular size work, it explains a lot. Boats don't get smaller, they only appear to get smaller as they get further away. That's called angular size change over distance due to our perspective. Remember, we were able to see water beyond the furthest boat in the distance. Things, like these fishing boats, appear to get smaller, the further they move away from my camera or our eyes. Eventually they start to blend into their surroundings until they are no longer resolvable. The base of the lighthouse is 35 feet above sea level. And the White Lighthouse Tower is 35 feet tall. Notice that the land, to the right of the tower, lowers as we look to the right. The last red arrow on the right is pointing to 0 feet, showing we can see right down to sea level. And this shows there is zero measurable curvature to 10.9 miles. Here is the same thing looking at Google Earth. The lighthouse base is 35 feet above sea level. And the land to the right drops in elevation. From 35 feet to 20 feet, to 10 feet. Right down to 0 feet above sea level. The Apple River Lighthouse, in Nova Scotia, is 10.9 miles from my camera. My camera is at Cape Enrage, New Brunswick, at 10 feet above sea level. Now let me show you just how easy it is to disprove Earth curvature, while looking over water. Notice that from 10.9 miles away, the Apple River Lighthouse is almost too small to see with the naked eye. This is due to apparent angular size over this distance. Especially in winter when everything is white. The slightest bit of haze and it becomes impossible to see with the naked eye. All I need to do is enter my camera height, and the distance to my target, which is the Apple River Lighthouse, 10.9 miles from my camera. Again, my camera is at 10 feet above sea level. Earth curvature calculators say there is 32.9 feet of predicted Earth curvature. The base of the lighthouse is at 35 feet above sea level. You can verify this using Google Earth. The predicted Earth curvature is 33 feet, yet I just showed you we can see down to 0 feet above sea level. There is zero measurable curvature to 10.9 miles looking from a 100-foot eye level. It is low tide as you can see when I bring the zoom back. This disproves any measurable curvature to the Apple River Lighthouse, 10.9 miles away. And that's just how easy it is to disprove our heliocentric childhood programming, known as Earth curvature. Realize you can't have a globe that has zero measurable curvature. Which we level Earth researchers prove by doing our own research. We prove globe Earth has zero measurable curvature, by making simple over-water observations. Observations that anyone can do, like this one I just showed you, at 10.9 miles away, looking over water. There are thousands, probably millions of truthers doing their own research, day after day after day. Proving we cannot be living in the heliocentric Big Bang model. I have personally made thousands of observations over the past 6 years that prove globe Earth is childhood public school indoctrination, into a model that cannot be proven. Believing you are well educated in no way means you have truth. Believing is faith-based, truth about the shape of Earth needs to be proven. My first level Earth observation was with the naked eye, no zoom required. I was standing on Dennis Beach, New Brunswick, with a 5.5-foot eye level. I later learned the island is 28 miles from the beach. It is called Isle Haute, and is 328 feet high. Globe Earth curvature math says Isle Haute should always be blocked 100% by 421 feet of alleged Earth curvature. Think about this. If you are not doing your own research, meaning you have not taken the time to prove the true shape of Earth on your own. It means you are a faith believer in a model you have yet to prove. If you stalk flat Earth channels, groups and pages, without personal proof for the globe, you're not a truther, you're a hypocrite, triggered by a model you can't debunk. My Bible says, prove all things, hold fast that which is good, 1 Thessalonians 5:21.